Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best cordless lawn mowers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best cordless lawn mowers. Eco-friendly, battery-based cordless lawn mowers are coming into their own. These mowers, which range from around $200 to $500, provide quieter, non-polluting operation for mid-sized yards with normal grass height. Number 5 EcoPower Lithium-Ion Cordless Lawn Mower. It is a state-of-the-art rechargeable mower featuring a 20-inch deck and 3-in-1 functions which include bagging, mulching, and a chute for side discharge. Main features: a rapid charger is included. Special LED headlights. 5-year tool warranty. Number 4 Greenworks G-Max 25302 Cordless Lawn Mower. It has 10 inches high-speed dual blades, a 20 inches cutting width, and a 40 volts, 4Ah lithium-ion battery with a 60-minute runtime. Main features: includes one 2Ah and one 4Ah. Downtime is reduced. Instant electric start. Number 3 Snap Res XD WM82K XD 82V Max Cordless Walk Mower. This is the very first mower powered by Briggs & Stratton with an 82V lithium-ion battery. It has a 21 inches steel deck. Main features: 70% of storage space is saved. 2 high-quality battery. Equal to any gas-powered mower. Number 2 Black + Decker CM2040 3-in-1 Cordless Mower. The Black & Decker CM2040 has a 20 inches cutting path, a 6-setting height adjustment from 1.5 inch to 4 inches. Main features: 3-in-1 mower which bags. Has a variable speed motor. AutoSense technology makes power. Number 1 Works WG775 Small, Compact, Cordless Lawn Mower. It is an inexpensive cordless mower with a 14 inches 24 volts battery that can cut approximately 6,000 square feet on one single charge. It is lightweight, clean. Main features: mows very close to the edge. Very lightweight. Extremely quiet. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.